Okay, guys, let's try to see if we can make a pumpkin pie. We rolled out our dough. I don't know what that is. Got yuckies in the dough there, but... Go. We'll get this in here. See, even if you don't get it right the first time, do it again. Everybody says to do something fancy with the crust. I do not. Alrighty. Gonna make some pumpkin pie here, guys. If we can get the pumpkin open. Ugh. There we go. Round 22, yes it is. Okay. And we're gonna use our new little gadget here and see if we can get away with just using that. Okay, so we need some pumpkin, 1.5 cups cooked pumpkin. I know there's a little bit more, but I'm not saving any for anything else because I've got like, I don't know how many cans of this stuff. So, there's our pumpkin. To this, we are supposed to add our 3 egg yolks, slightly beaten. So here's our egg yolks, slightly beaten. Get those in there. Actually, I need my spatula here. Spatula. There we go. Alright. Now, put our egg yolks in there. Then we also need 1 cup of brown sugar. We need 1.5 cups of scalded milk, which I just put in the microwave for 1 minute and 15 seconds. 1.5 cups of that. The sugar, salt. Okay, the salt we need half a tablespoon of salt, or half of a teaspoon. Excuse me, teaspoon of salt. Turn the light on. You might be able to see better, huh? Half a teaspoon of salt. 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. There's that, there's those. Then we need 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. And 1/2 teaspoon of ginger. Maybe a little bit more. There we go. Now it said 1/2 teaspoon of cloves, but we don't like cloves, so I'm putting in nutmeg. The cats are playing too, if you hear something in the background. Alrighty, now I'm gonna pause this for a sec. Hold on. I'm gonna hand whisk this, and we're gonna beat it all up until it's nice and smooth here. Now the cornstarch is what's going to thicken this up. It looks like total liquid right now, but it'll work. This is an old-fashioned recipe, so just hold on. Alright, we got this good mixed up now. Alright, now, next thing is we need to beat our egg whites because we use the egg yolks in this. Now we're going to beat the egg whites and we're going to have to fold them in. So I'll bring you back. I'm going to use my new dew jobber here. And I'll bring you back once they're beaten. I must admit, I swore I'd never get one of these things. But I got it for Christmas. And it's beating the egg whites quite well. So, let's see, where are we at? We're still at soft peak. I'll bring you back at hard peak. We're almost there. See how it's, you just got a little bit more here. Always want to make sure you're getting all the way around too. Let's see here, where are we at? Yeah, those are stiff now. Okay. Alrighty. Let me get this out the way. Now, they say to fold these into our pumpkin mixture. So, let's see how this goes. This is my first time making a pumpkin pie this way, guys. Things that I know that I've done before, I'll tell you. Things that I've never tried before, I'll let you know that too. Now, they're saying to fold this in, and I don't know how that's going to work here. Get it all off of there. Yeah, I don't know. Oh, now I hit the thing. Is it still filming? Sorry, you're getting knocked around there. And it's not folding in too good here, huh? Guess you just want to do it as gentle as easy, because you don't want to bust up the foam that you've made, you know? So let's just, maybe I'll just keep going like this till it looks like it's mixed. I don't want to make see how the bottom's darker? I want it to all be the same. And then we'll stop. Which I think we are there. Alrighty, I'm gonna pause you for a sec, guys. Just hold on. Alright, I was hoping my stretchy thing would stretch, and it did. So, this is, I'm gonna show you the way I do put pies in the oven. Now, I've got one of the pie ringy things there. I go and I put my pie crust on there, and then I pour it in. Alrighty. Now, and then we gotta slowly put it in there like that. All right, guys, I'll bring you back. Oh, wait, hold on. We're gonna bake it for 10 minutes at 425, and then we'd reduce it to 350 for 30 minutes. So I'll bring you back when she's done. All right, our timer went off. Let's see how she... Ooh, that's way liquid. Okay, that is not ready yet. All right, we're going to put that back in there for a while. That's going to be a little while. Okay, now, I was on the phone when the timer went off. I put the knife in, and it came out. It still had a little bit on it. But, man, it's starting to get really dark, so I took her out. And I'm going to let her cool a little bit, and we'll slice her, and we'll see what happens after that. Alright, honestly, guys, I thought this was a flop. I don't know if you can really see it too good with the pumpkin pie. It's like 2 layers. See it? Trying to get it to focus. There we go. But I'll tell you what. It tastes good.